Today's consumer alert, it has been heating up the last few days, and summer will soon be here. But one Memphis woman says she's been without an air conditioner for more than 3 weeks. But it's not for a lack of trying to make repairs. The retired school teacher has been trying to get her home warranty company to help, but she says they continue to give her the runaround. So she turned to us here at WREG for help. Here's our Shay Arthur to explain.
Sharon Finney and her dog Annie do what they can to stay cool. Blinds, curtains drawn. It's dark inside their home. Finney hasn't had a working AC unit for nearly a month.
It's just been tough.
The 71-year-old retired school teacher of 33 years said she finally broke down yesterday, forking out $400 for a portable AC. Not easy living on a fixed income. But after the temperature hit 85 degrees inside her home, she knew she had to do something.
So it's pretty hot.
She now waits for answers from her home warranty company, American Home Shield, after she says she contacted them nearly a month ago. She's been a customer for 20 years. She says she was initially told she needed a compressor, telling me the company said they couldn't find that part, then continued to give her the runaround, not offering her options except to pay $5,000. But Miss Finney is now getting some help. Through a friend, she got in touch with Michael Highfill with Highfill HVAC Repair and Service. He says he looked into the issue himself and is now trying to help her with warranty issues.
And they keep emailing her or calling her saying, we're looking for a compressor, we're looking for something, we're looking for this, we're looking for that. I sent my technician over here. He found out the compressor was short at the ground. I made a phone call and found 2 compressors in the same day. But this is a really old system, so she's wanting it replaced, which is what they should do.
For now, Miss Finney waits for help.
It's very nerve-wracking and upsetting.
She's paid for this home warranty for 20 years and used it less than a handful of times, and then this is the response she gets after paying for an insurance policy for the time she's owned this house.
For your news leader, Shay Arthur, WREG News Channel 3.
Now, I can tell you a short time ago, American Home Shield got back to us saying that it was determined Ms. Finney's compressor on her AC unit was faulty, but there are other costs associated with the repair that they say are not covered by her contract. Now, the customer care team is working with her now to determine how she would like to move forward. The company did say it was refunding her service fee and will reimburse her for the cost of that portable AC unit. By the way, WREG will continue to stay on top of this issue to make sure it is fully and fairly resolved.